Hi, I'm Gary Malik, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace an internal hard drive. It's always going to be the left side of the computer. You're going to remove the 2 screws out of the back and slide that panel off. I have little thumb screws in here. Some computers now will come with these. Makes it nice and easy for you to get in and out. You don't even need a screwdriver. But if you do, even this one, if it was too tight, you can use a screwdriver. Now, grasp, pull, and slide that out. Put it aside. And now here is my hard drive. Here's my hard drive. It's even labeled. We have 2 screws. One here. One up here. Just Phillips head. Nothing crazy. Should unplug. Power. And then data. Screws out. Now it'll slide right out. And there you go. Just put your new one in. Same way. Careful. It can only go one way. Holes will line right up. Put your screws back in.